Hello children. Now we have next unit, that is electromagnetic wave. It is of 3 marks according to the CBSE pattern. Now in the electromagnetic wave we will study spectrum. In the spectrum we have radio waves. The frequency range of this is 5 into 10 की power 5 to 10 की power 9 hertz. What are the uses of radio waves? These are used in wireless communication. And these electromagnetic waves used for the amplitude modulated waves. These have very short wave band and it is used in the skywave propagation. The frequency range is 54 MHz to 890 MHz, so it is used in the television waves. And the electromagnetic wave, the frequency range 88 MHz to 108 MHz, they form frequency modulated wave. These electromagnetic waves are used in the ultra high frequency, so it is used in the cellular mobile phone communication. Second is microwave. The frequency range is 1 GHz to 300 GHz. The uses of microwaves is, these are used in the radar system for the aircraft navigation. It is help to detect the speed of a tennis ball, cricket ball, automobile while it is in motion. These are used for the cooking purpose. And the microwaves are used for observing the movement of trains on the rails while sitting in the microwave operated control rooms. Now the third is infrared waves. These waves having frequency 3 into 10 power 11 hertz to 4 into 10 की power 14 hertz. These waves are also known as heat waves because they produce a heating effect in the surroundings when they get absorbed. The uses of the infrared is, it is used to treat muscular strain. It is used to provide electrical energy to satellite by using solar cell. It is used for producing dehydrated fruits, for taking photographs during the conditions of fog, smoke, etc. In revealing the secret writing on the inside walls, in solar water heaters and cookers, in weather forecasting through infrared photography, and it is used to check the purity of chemicals and in the study of molecular structure by taking infrared absorption spectrum. Now the fourth is visible light. The frequency range of this is 4 into 10 की power 14 hertz to 8 into 10 की power 14 hertz. What are the use of the visible light? These are used in electric bulbs and tube light, in moving screen in the cinema hall, and in lasers. Now next is ultraviolet. The frequency range of ultraviolet is 8 into 10 की power 14 hertz to 5 into 10 की power 16 hertz. Uses in burglar alarm, to preserve the foodstuff, LASIK eye surgery, to kill germs in water purifier, to destroy the bacteria and for sterilizing the surgical instrument. And it is used to check the mineral samples through the property of ultraviolet rays that cause fluorescence. Now, sixth is X-rays. The frequency range is 10 की power 16 hertz to 3 into 10 power 21 hertz. Now the use of X-ray rays in the surgery for the detection of fracture. In engineering, it is used to detect faults, cracks, flaws and holes in the metal products for the testing of welding, casting and molds. In radiotherapy, to cure uncurable skin disease, to detective departments for the detection of explosive, opium, gold and silver in the body of smugglers. In the industry, it is used for the detection of pearls in oysters and in defects in rubber tires, gold and tennis ball, etc. In the scientific research, these are used for investigating the structure of crystals, arrangement of atoms and molecules in the complex substance. Now, next is gamma rays. The frequency range is 3 into 10 की power 18 hertz to 5 into 10 power 22 hertz. What are the use of gamma rays for the treatment of cancer and tumor? To preserve the foodstuffs for a long time, as the soft gamma rays can kill microorganisms, to produce nuclear reaction, to provide valuable information about the structure of atomic nucleus. In this unit, you have to learn the spectrum of the electromagnetic waves with the frequency range, and with the help of the frequency, you can find the wavelength. And you have to learn the uses of this electromagnetic spectrum.